In Excel assessment test, you are required to create ranking per salesman that can be filtered by product from a large sales dataset in just 1 minute. To finish the task, you typically type the salesman's name and use SUMIF and rank formulas. Stop doing it this way, as it will exceed 1 minute. I will show you how to do it without using formulas, in just 29 seconds. First, select Dataset. Select Insert. Select Recommended Pivot Tables. Select the second type. Press OK. Drag Sales into Value box. Drag the product into Filter box. Select the cell. Right-click. Select Show Value As. Select Rank Largest to Smallest. Select Salesman. Press OK. Select the cell. Right-click. Select Sort. Select Sort Largest to Smallest. Change the title. The dynamic rank was created in just 29 seconds. When filtering by product, the ranking will be adjusted in descending order. Also, do this action to swap the ranking base. Swap salesman for product. Rearrange rank basis. Select product. Press OK. Done. It's been changed. You can practice these skills to pass the test. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.